Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I'll be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Purpose of being. Don't be so destination-orientated that you forget to enjoy the journey. The journey is the purpose for being. The journey is the purpose for growth. The journey is the purpose to remember your true potential and what came forth to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family. And I'm grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.